Molweni Zithandwa, and welcome to my channel. Firstly, let us thank God for bringing us through another week. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Igama lami nguBabalwa. You can call me babes, you can call me babs, you definitely can call me Babsi. If you are a single parent, or you have an ADHD child, or you enjoy cooking, then this is the channel for you. We also do the struggles of life and the challenges of a single parent. So if that is the kind of content that you enjoy, please do consider subscribing to this channel. And to Amaritain, thank you guys so much for coming back to yet another video. I appreciate your love, I appreciate your support, I appreciate your loyalty, your comments, your likes, and your shares. Thank you guys. So welcome to a new vlog. So this vlog, basically I'm just sharing with you what I was using when I was sick. Because remember, I was coughing, guys, for 1 month, for a full month, and I tried all sorts of things. So that's basically what I'm sharing this week. I couldn't hold the camera. If you remember, there is 2 weeks, 2 Thursdays that I didn't post anything because I was really sick. I couldn't do anything. So I thought, let me just share some of the mixtures that I did whilst I was sick, and hopefully get someone it might help. Undalo was currently coughing, and I made him the flu bomb together with a teaspoon of oil. So it helped him. So yeah, guys, I hope you are going to enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe at the end of the video. Hi guys, so I am going to do the flu bomb now. This recipe, I got it from my aunt, and I think she got it from Barbara O'Neill or something like that. So guys, I had flu moss. Remember that time I didn't post a video, so I had flu. Yeah, pela san honey. Yeah, but so here, this is what is left of it. So I had to buy another one, and guess Anna, you must have raw, not 100% pure, because to explain up why. And then it's a full lemon, because a lemon is it's not those big ones. But if you, let's say, maybe you have a big lemon, then you can use half. Then it's a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and then it's 1 garlic clove, then a drop of eucalyptus oil, and then also in hot water. Cayenne pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of a cayenne pepper, or half a teaspoon of a cayenne pepper. It will depend on how can you take how strong are you in taking a cayenne pepper. So all of these things was debanisa, and then you're gonna place them, put them in a cup, and galele amanzi ashushu, about 1/3 of a cup. Okay. Upper we have the lemon. I don't have that squeezer thing, so I just try to squeeze it with the knife. Then here is the garlic, and then here is the ginger. So I'm gonna mix this together and add a teaspoon of honey plus the cayenne pepper. Then we're gonna add hot water, and then we're gonna drink. Guys, everything is in here, and I just added amanzi ashushu. So I'm gonna drink it now. So this is what you're gonna need. Then I'm gonna leave it. Yeah. So this, guys, as a okay. Then we are going to leave it. Late, ne? So this this thing lento le apha dibone from Barbara O'Neill. Ne? Then we're gonna leave this upper, and then I'm gonna check it later on. Dibone bana ithini ngoku into yayo. Yabo. So we're gonna check it later. Yabo. Okay guys, so here is how this thing is looking like. I had a bit of ilendoza in of some of the liquid, the juice upper. Sorry. So yeah, so I drinking this 3 times a day. Yeah. Hi guys, so I've already put some lentils. I decided to buy insango, and then here's the half packet 50 rand, ne? And then so what I'm gonna do, so galela 1 liter yamanzi apha, and then I'm going to boil it. So in apha, I'm going to drink it. Yay! Guys, I've tried everything, so I'm gonna drink this. Not even sure it's supposed to look like this, but hey, remember insango, it's a herb, guys. You can try to be try, but insango, it's a herb. Ne sonje conditaining guy. Okay guys, so here is my insango. So I'm gonna drink a cup now. I'm done with everything, so I'm gonna sleep. So I'm gonna drink a cup now. They said I must drink it when I go to sleep or just before I sleep. So I'm gonna drink that now, and then yeah, I'm not gonna strain out the leaves and whatnot. Then I'm gonna take the rest and put it in a bottle, and then keep it in the fridge together with them leaves, and then I'll just warm it up tomorrow and drink it. One cup. Hi guys, where do I start? So today is, what sounds like it's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and I just come from a clinic, right from the clinic, and then they injected me, so this nurse gave me like as many antibiotics. I thought I was going to show you those other ones that I finished. It's been a month. It's been a month of coughing, and it's really, really, really bad. The first week when I started coughing, I took Benelin. I still was coughing, and then I decided to go to, I think it was on Monday, I went to the clinic, and then they gave me an antibiotic, amoxicillin. I took that, and I was like, okay, I think I'm getting better. Then I went to that breakfast prayer. I think I also got cold there. So like now I'm reversing. It seems like I'm reversing everything. Yeah, but fine. I finished the antibiotics, and then I got better. And then I went to year singles. I mean program as singles males and females, yes, singles. Yeah, well, I also think that nje, I shouldn't have gone there. I shouldn't have gone there. But because they had asked me to, but Mrs. Speaker Sabo, I was like, I can't say no. I'm just going to go to hi. Yeah, but okay, fine. Goku, I went back Monday. I told that a clinic for him. I told that doctor, when I know I'm sick, the last time he gave me amoxicillin or whatever, I need something stronger. And then I'm like, who says go to antibiotics? You need antibiotics when you are when you have flu. Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, hey, I know, because my mom used to tell me that immunium it's a weak, yeah, so if I'm sick, I need Elendo's antibiotics. I drank the flu bomb, guys. I drank that mixture, onion and honey. I was still coughing. Then I went to buy the idahane. So I don't want to lie. I started drinking idaha. I started drinking it not yesterday, the day before at night, right? And then I was still coughing, soak. And then I drank it yesterday morning, and I slept, and then I drank it yesterday night, and I slept. I was coughing, but I was not coughing as much as the previous days. So my cough has slightly dropped. But the problem is when I do cough, I cough, and then I have a headache, and then it's painful up by my chest and all of that, and like in my because you know. So I'm like, Sana, I can't because I'm still coughing. He's worried and he's not okay because his mom's not fine. So I was like, okay, let me go to this other clinic. Like I have many people. I'm going to this other clinic that about 3 ladies that I know recommended it. And then this one lady told me, Guti, she took her son there and her mom there, and it's good. So I went there today. So they gave me an injection, and then some even so I'm drinking that because that nurse she's gonna give me a stronger antibiotic, and then I don't know what else, and then she's going to inject me. It's gonna help me with the inflammatory or whatever. Sorry guys. Because she says my cough is dry. It's like someone that it's like I'm a smoker, because a smoker will cough, right? But it's just a dry cough. Like I've never even smoked in my entire life. So she gave me that, and then she said I must make rooibos. And when that flu bomb that I made, but I must put in rooibos, and I must put in about a teaspoon of oil. If I don't, like, it can be canola oil, it can be fish oil. She says good to eat. You need that to open your chest, or because your chest is so dry. So if you like have a dry cough, she says I must do that. Almost like if you know Boston, you'll see most in oil and all of that. So she's like, no, you need the oil. So if I'm gonna make that mixture, and then I must make it in a cup, and then I must drink like 2 spoons 3 times a day. I'm like, oh, okay. So I want to try and make that now, before I almost like take another nap, because I could not sleep ebusuku. Yeah, I didn't cough as much. No, I didn't cough as much. I just think, and I woke up feeling, I felt like I'm a little bit better because it was not as painful or as tired as I was the previous days. So I do think that like cannabis is working, guys. Like, I honestly do think that it is working, because a friend of mine recommended it most. So yeah, guys, so that is my journey of coughing and all of that. I hope maybe one of you might do one of the mixtures that I did, and it might help. Maybe your immune is not as weak as mine, And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share with your family, friends, partners, and colleagues. And please also don't forget to follow me on the socials at Babes Ngalwa on Instagram and on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for your time. Up until next time, God bless.